welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, thank you so much for taking time out of, I'm sure, your busy schedule to watch my videos. It really means so much to me. Thank you for your comments. I cannot tell you all how much it means to me to be making so many new wonderful friends. And I just love you guys. And I am so thankful that you take your time to watch my channel when I know there are so many out there you could be watching. It really means so much to me. And I want you to know that I do watch your channels. There are times I can't comment, but every morning, one of the first things I do is go through everybody, all my favorite people, which is you all, and of course some others, and find all the new videos that you've posted since I went to bed, and I add them to my list, and they play during the day where I can hear them. I can't always stop what I'm doing to go comment, but I do hear what you're doing. I do make mental notes of which ones I need to go back and watch later, of things that I can comment on. Sometimes I forget, but I do try to remember to go back and comment later. But I do hear it. I know our watch time is so important to us that have not reached 1,000 yet, and 1,000 subscribers, and then we have to have the 4,000 viewing hours. That I know our watch time is so important, and I do watch your videos from beginning to end. I know that is so important, so please know, even if I don't comment, I am watching, and I do it every morning while I'm getting Levi's breakfast and ready for his homeschool, or while he's doing his first thing. I go through and add all the videos that were put up since the last time I did it the day before, so that I can watch them, listen, whatever, and do the viewing hours. So please know I am supporting your channel too, even if I don't always comment. But I do love you guys, and I do support your channels. I know how important our time is, and so I just wanted you all to know that I am here supporting your channel. Even if you don't see me, I'm here. So I wanted to show you all this is Nail Shack. They are nail strips. It says they're from DIY Nail Shack LLC. So this is I think it's $9.95, and you get 4 the nail strips, like what I've got on my nails. That's what these are. I mean, these are my nails, but they're the nail strips. And I put hardener. I did put hardener, and it lasted. I put the last 2 times I put gel, the gel that you have to put your hands in under the light. I've been putting that in. This is, I think, 3 weeks now. Let me see if I can show you how much it's grown out on any. See that one, you can see. See how much it's grown out since I did it. Some of them don't show it that much because I kind of overlapped a little bit, and I haven't done my cuticles, so of course they've grown back out, so you can't see. But I didn't want to take this off until I showed you this package, so that I can show you once again what they look like on. I don't think these would stay on very well if you just put these on and you didn't put anything over them to seal them in. I know some people have done that and were complaining that they didn't last but more than 2 or 3 days. But they did last over a week when I just put those on, and nothing but nail hardener over the top of them. They still lasted at least a week. So I'm actually really liking these. I like being able to put these on, not worrying about my nails drying, and having, look at that. I love that this one, I think, is my favorite design I've seen yet. I love having the cool designs. I mean, I like nail polish too, but these are cool. Once I got the hang of it, these are so cool. So every month you get 4 new designs, and you get some type of nail file. This is the one that they sent this month for Christmas. Isn't that cute? And they are actually good nail files. I like the little nail files. And every month they send a little cuticle pusher little thing. So every month you get these, some new, and 4 new strips. Yeah, I got them turned backwards because these are so cute. I cannot decide which one I want to use next. So cute. Let's see which one I want to show you first. These are Christmas ones. So here is this one. Look how cute. I want to do a video and show you all how I put them on. Look at how cute that is. They are really super simple to put on. So there's that one. And here is this one. I think I'm going to change over the weekend. Look how cute. Yeah, I wanted to show you all how I do these and how I do my gel, the new gel. Not the kind that comes in a tube. This is actually the polish. They're like a nail polish that you brush on and then put your hands under the light. I really like this new. I tried one before. I can't think of the name of it. I did not like it. And a friend of mine told me she used this kind and liked it, and I tried it. Love it. I will probably never stop using it. The first time I used it, I did not like how my nails felt after. They felt really weak, but this one, I've used it twice. Yeah, twice using these strips, and my nails felt just fine when I took it off. So there's that one. Look how pretty. So cute. I don't know. I'm torn. Do I want to try this one or this one? I love this one. Look how pretty. See how pretty those are? I don't know which one. I mean, it's early enough. I can still use 2 different ones for Christmas. But I really like this one too. Which one is your favorite? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which one is your favorite? I can't decide if 3 or 4 is my favorite. Look how cute they are. I think I will use both of them before Christmas. And as you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 pieces. So that there's more than likely the size you need for your fingers. Even if you have to size up, they're really easy to put on, and then just lightly buff it away with this. Just lightly go across it, and ta-da, the rest is gone. They're really super easy to use once you get the hang of it. Isn't that? Those are so pretty. But I like these too. I don't know. I like them all. Yeah, I don't know, but I will figure it out. I could mix them up a little bit and put these on, and maybe one finger put the Merry Christmas on. Mix them up just a little bit because there's the green and reds and stuff in both. I could mix them up just a little bit. don't you think? So that I could use them. And I mean, when you're done, it's not like they're the ones you didn't use are bad. You can use those later. I don't know. I could mix them up and use some of both of these. I think they mix together good. Instead of all the nails being this design, I could mix them up some. I think that's what I will do. I love those two designs. Aren't those beautiful? And then the next time I do it, I could mix them up with a little bit again. So those are what I've got for the Nail Shack. Again, these are, unless they went up in price, they're $9.95 a month. I think that is a pretty good steal because these strips alone, I've looked online for strips like this, just a package, and they're like $15 or $16 for just a package of these. Now they might be better quality, I don't know, but these are good enough quality for me if you put, like I said, something to seal them in. And I did order a design from AliExpress so that I could tell you all what kind of, they're like $1 and something, just to see what kind of what kind they have, if they're any good. I haven't gotten it yet. It's been about a month, so I will tell you that they take a long time. So there is my Nail Shack. They always come in this kind of package. But there is my Nail Shack. I love you guys. I will see you soon. Bye bye.